Are you still making peanuts that are not coming out looking smooth and crunchy? Then this video is for you. Watch till the end. I will show you how to achieve very smooth, crunchy peanuts. For this recipe, you'll be needing 3 cups of groundnut, your nutmeg, your salt, your milk flavor, your sugar. You'll be using egg and water for this recipe. You're not using only egg. Then your flavors and your flour. So let's dive into our video. So the measurements of each ingredient will be displayed on the screen. So first thing first, we are going to be picking our groundnuts. Whenever you are making peanut, the first thing you are going to do is to pick your groundnuts, because groundnuts come very dirty. So you can imagine when you're eating peanut and you bite a very bad groundnut, like it will change the whole taste in your mouth. Like you will not enjoy that peanut very well. So there are sticks, there are stones, there are maybe maize, beans inside the groundnut, and the spoiled ones, depending on where you purchased your groundnut from. So some places where you buy your groundnut, there are lots of dirt inside the groundnut. Some of the groundnuts have mixed with corn, some have mixed with beans. So you need to pick out those ones so you can achieve a very good groundnut. So always make sure you pick your peanuts before you start any production of peanuts. After picking your groundnut, the next thing you're going to do is to blanch it, like to remove the raw taste of the groundnut. So you're going to add in a teaspoon of salt and boiled hot water inside the groundnut to blanch it and remove the raw taste. And you leave it for like 5 minutes, and you spread it out on a tray or your surface. Take it out to the sun to dry it. It will dry and become very hard, like when you buy new groundnut from the market. Then into your flour, you are going to add in your dry ingredients, your nutmeg, your salt, and your milk flavor. Those are the things. You can add milk to your peanut. You can add milk. Feel free to add milk if you want. But now, I am not adding milk. I'm using milk flavor instead. Into your sugar, you add in water, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 egg. Then add in your flavors. I used vanilla and milk emulsion for this one, but you can play around with your flavors. Add in butterscotch, add in milk zest, add in any flavor of your choice, and see the outcome. So always play around with your flavors whenever you're baking, and you might discover a very good, sweet and yummy peanut. Have you watched up to this point? Welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamery. If it's your first time coming across my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to your friends, your families who might be interested in learning how to bake. This channel teaches a whole lot about baking, pastries, and everything cake. So you're welcome to the family. Just hit the subscription button and join us. We're going into the peanut making proper. Now when you're making peanuts, you go in with your egg mixture first, then you go in with your flour. Then the very important tip I want to let you know about peanut making, to achieve very round peanut that is not looking rough, is always let your groundnut scrub on the body of the bowl. Like as you're turning your peanuts in that circular movement, let the groundnut scrub on the body of the bowl. That is what will give it that perfect peanut shape. As it's scrubbing on the body of the bowl, it's molding the peanut and the flour and the egg mixture. The bowl is helping to mold it into that perfect peanut shape. And once you obey this instruction, you're going to end up with that perfect peanut shape. So let me use this opportunity to announce this class to you. Are you a baker but you still lack a lot of information concerning baking, or you want to go into baking business and you want to know the baking, like you want to know the business aspect of baking? It's not all about learning how to bake. It's not all about just going for classes and watching YouTube videos. There is a business aspect of baking for you to make profit and to be a successful baker. So you need to learn the business aspect of it. So come and join this class. Let me hold your hand and show you some things you need to know about baking. I will explain everything to you like someone in the kindergarten. So join this class. The information is on the flyer. Send a message to the WhatsApp number on the flyer to get more information about this class. And guys, look at how our peanut is looking. Just nickel how smooth it is, and it's so crunchy and so tasty. Like, you're going to love it. Try out this peanut recipe at home. It's even better than buying. And thank you for watching, my people. So send me a message on WhatsApp concerning the class. Thank you. See you in my next video.